इदानीं संस्कृतभारत्या बहुत्र प्रदेशेषु संस्कृतस्य प्राधान्यं, संस्कृते विद्यमानानां ग्रन्थानां प्रामुख्यं च बोधयितुम् अहमत्र अमेरिकादेशं प्रति आहूतः। अत्र च मया दृष्टं यत् बहवः उत्सुकाः वर्तन्ते संस्कृत अध्ययनार्थम्, अथ च स्वीयान् बालकान् बालिकांश्च संस्कृताध्ययने प्रवर्तयितुं महता प्रयासेन एते बद्धकच्छाः दृश्यन्ते। एतदर्थं तत्र तत्र प्रचाल्यमानाः ये केन्द्रविशेषाः वर्तन्ते तेषां कृते स्थानं नोपलभ्यते। एकं स्थानं यदि स्थायी स्यात् तर्हि तेन महत्कर्म साधयितुं शक्यते इति धिया संस्कृतभवनम् एकं निर्मातव्यम् इति संस्कृतभारती अध्यक्षैः इदानीं चिन्त्यमानं विद्यते। The word Samskritabhavanam itself can be derived in a couple of ways. Samskritam yad bhavanam Samskrita bhavanam. Samskrita samvardhanaya bhavanam Samskrita bhavanam. Madhyama padalopi samasa. Asamskritan samskriti kartum bhavanam Samskrita bhavanam. Iti bahudha vaktum shakyate. So this idea to create Samskrita Bhavanam is something which is quite appealing to me, because we need a certain center which can really attract people and facilitate people in order to promote Sanskrit studies. In fact, there is a beautiful verse which has been given by Bhartrhari, wherein he emphasizes the importance of the environment which actually shapes the people. The verse goes like this: Santaptayasi samsthitasya payaso namapi najñāyate muktakarataya tadeva nalini patra sthitam rajate svatyam sagara shukti madhya patitam tan muktikam jayate prayen adhama madhyamottama gunaha samsargato jayate. So the same water drop, when it falls on a hot iron plate, it just disappears. If it falls on a lotus petal or lotus leaf, it glows like a gem. When it falls in the shell, it turns into the gem itself. Similarly, the person through a certain association gets transformed himself into the being because of the association. So the Samskrita Bhavanam is essentially meant to create such an environment wherein by associating one can really become a Samskrita Purusha. So the Samskrita Bhavanam, as I was mentioning, it can be derived as Asamskritan Samskriti Kartum. So those who have not been able to find a certain conducive environment to transform themselves into Samskrita Purushas, by associating with this, will be able to become Samskrita Purushas. Particularly in this part of the world, as I can see, such an environment is not easily available. And it is all the more essential that we create many such centers here, which will facilitate people who come from elsewhere to come and stay and share their knowledge, and for the local people to come and spend a few days, few weeks. So that is something which is absolutely essential, I will just say. In fact, as people were asking, so what to do? The only solution is create an environment where people will be able to pick up Samskriti by themselves. So environment makes a lot of difference. In fact, in our tradition, we have been teaching people only under the tree. That is what is described by this verse which describes Dakshinamurti, Vatavitapi Samipe Bhumibhage Nishannam Sakala Munijananam Jnanadataram Arat. So similarly in Samskrita Bhavanam, we can have places where the teacher sits under the tree and the children also sit under the tree. That environment will be the best environment through which you can imbibe our Sanskriti. So therefore, we need a place not really bounded by walls, but a place where we are able to see and immerse ourselves in the divinity of the nature. So the wealth that we are blessed with has three avenues in which it can get utilized. Bhartrhari says, Dhanam bhogo nashaha tisro gatayo bhavanti vittasya yo nadadati nabhunte tasya tritiya gatir bhavati. So, a bhavanam which is essentially created to make people get elevated themselves to higher planes of thinking is the best way in which we can utilize the wealth that we are blessed with. So anything that is being contributed towards the construction of this Samskrita Bhavanam will go a long way to create a certain Samskriti which is not available in a place on its own. So I would urge people to come forward to share their resources for creating a world which can be a much better place. I'm sure the Samskrita Bhavanam will help not necessarily Indians, but anyone who values this Indian tradition, Indian culture, and who wants to value these values.
संस्कृताध्ययन तत्परा मुदा सम्मिलन्त्विह हि बालबालिकाः वेदशास्त्र निगमान्तवैभवम् वेदयन्तु भुवि घोषयन्तु नः संस्कृतेः पुनरिहैव वैभवम् ये धमान गुणपुञ्ज वैभवः दर्शयन् भरतदेश वैभवम् भासयेत् भवनजात वैभवम् दर्शयन् भरतदेश वैभवम् भासयेत् भवनजात वैभवम्